Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mom, you're not gonna sing? You're not gonna sing? You were singing before. Sing again. Sing happy birthday. Oh man.
Man.
You're not gonna sing? Please. Me and Gigi baked the cake for you, Kareem, for your birthday. We got the candles, but she took them off before I had a chance to press record. She blew them out. And I thought she was going to sing happy birthday, but I guess she changed her mind. But she's been singing happy birthday for the last 2 days. And then as soon as I pressed record, she stopped singing. But this is your cake from me and Gigi. And we hope that you enjoy your birthday. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. Good night.
You done? You got it?
Yeah.
Hmm.